Hey traders, it's Tim Irvin here with another video. Welcome back to our channel. We are gonna share with you some expert advice on financial matters. On today's video, guys, this is what we're gonna be doing. We are going to share some valuable tips on how to grow your Forex trading account. So if you are a trader looking to take your account to the next level, keep watching because today is going to be explosive. This is gonna be an expert tip strategy on Forex trading. So stay with me, let's go. Let me show you what the market has to offer and hopefully everything makes sense. So the very first pair that I'm gonna teach you today, it is Euro USD. Woo! Woo! I'm telling you guys, this is what we're gonna be doing. The way I'm gonna be teaching you this week, guys, is going to be different because the goal here on our Team with Urban Forex Trading channel is to teach you what to expect and see in the market. So the market is the market is always gonna be right, but when I want you to pay attention, do your cheat sheet, guys. Always pay attention what is your dashboard telling you. Look at here. Always pay attention to the higher time frame. If you do that, you will have more winning ratio on the market and everything will make sense. So first thing first, always pay attention what is your 4 hours and daily time frame is telling you. It's telling us here that Euro USD it is selling. So remember, when the market is buying, this is what you're expecting to see, guys. When the market is going up, you're gonna see the Team with Irving going up with the stairs. The stairs are gonna turn green, letting you know the market is only going in one direction. When the market is selling, this is what you're gonna be expecting. Always, you need to spot the Team with Irving indicator here. Pay attention to the stairs. The stair will turn red, letting you know that yes, the market is selling. All right, so fair enough. Any question, guys? I want to teach you this video here way different than others because the goal here is to teach you how to spot the trend on the market. Because remember, we are gonna be doing few tips, guys. We're gonna do tip 1, develop your trading plan. So this is the way you're gonna be trading your trading plan. The first thing is to develop that trading plan. I'm telling you, it's a trading plan in your roadmap so you can trade with success. Now let's go ahead and check the real trend, whatever is happening, right? All we know, the market is selling. So now let's do the full breakdown here, because you're here on this Forex Trading channel, guys, to learn how to trade with rules. Look at here, multiple time frame with the Team with Urban indicator is there. Look at the white arrow, multiple time frame is also there. Where is the stair going? Look at this one. The stair is going in one direction only, and that it is what? Boom! Market here, it is selling. Go ahead, guys. What do you guys think? Go ahead, give me a round of applause, guys, because all right. So the next thing, guys, this is what you need to do. Now let's do the full breakdown. So remember, look at here, continuation of that sale. We already saw the market is selling. So what is my indication for this coming week? Remember, guys, we are trading the week of March 6th to the 10th. So I believe the market will continue selling down, coming back to this low here one more time. Then from there, market will push back up, retesting your 33.6 Fibonacci. Then we'll continue making that sell. So this week, market is getting ready for a nice pullback, but the pullback is not there yet. All I can tell you, the Euro USD still selling. So it's exactly what you are seeing here. So far, so good. So remember, first thing, you need to develop your plan. Do your full breakdown, check, do your risk management strategy, learn how to do your entry and exit rules and more. So by having a trading plan, you will be able to make more informed trading decisions and avoid emotional trading, because you don't want to be trading just because someone tell you. Let's say you're buying a signal, right? That's why I don't believe in buying signal, because you need to learn how to trade. Is the most important thing. If you don't know how to trade, guys, practice in a demo account. That it is important. All right, so let me go ahead and give you the next pair of the week. And the next pair, guys, it is GBP USD. Boom! Look at this. Look at the dashboard, guys. What is it? What is the story behind the dashboard? Look at here. I'm not giving you any real data yet, because the goal here this week, I'm not giving you real data until you understand where and how to look for setup. Just remember, you need to trade your trading plan. You need to practice in demo. So we are covering those things already, right? Those tips. So we're gonna go through a few more tips. So now that we know the market is selling on GBP USD, we're gonna go to real data to see if the market is selling. Remember, if when the market is selling, you are expecting to see this red stairs here. When the market is going up, you're expecting to see these green steps going up. All right, fair enough. All right, so now let's move to the real data, because that's what you are here for. Pay close attention. Right, look. Woo, woo. I'm telling you guys, this week the market, it is on fire. Don't forget, guys, I gave you guys gold when the trend was coming down, and gold, it is freaking on fire. If you would have had Tim Irvin system, you will be in fire. But here we go. All right, so keep your trading plan, guys. Don't change. Remember, you need to learn how to develop a trading plan, practice in a demo account, and now you need to keep a trading journal. You need to learn. Remember, that is what is a trading journal. Basically, it's a record of all your traders, including the reason of your entry to trade, the reason to exit your trade, and the outcome. Why it happened? What mistake did I make? Should I make the same mistake? By keeping a trading journal, you will be able to identify a pattern in the trading behavior and making adjustment to your trading plan currently. So, look at here. Multiple time frame is heading in one direction. Where is the stair going? Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the trend. Boom. Market is coming down. So, here is 4 hours and dailies letting us know, Irvin, GBP USD is still selling. You are seeing it. If you tell me, no, Irvin, you're wrong, the market is selling, this is what I'm expecting to see, guys. Market is still going to be pushing a little bit high to this high here. One more time. From there, market will continue selling. Market here is selling, guys. If you are seeing something else, good luck. But I'm telling you, market will continue selling down. Once it reach this previous multiple time frame here, once multiple time frame 2, multiple time frame 3, multiple time frame 4, market will make a final pullback on GBP USD. The market is getting ready for that pullback, but it's not there yet. So do not make the mistake, guys. It's very, very important to not make a mistake. All right, let me give you the next pair of the week, and that it is, guys, USD JPY. Woo! I'm telling you, guys.
Oh yeah!
What?
Oh yeah!
I didn't hear you. What?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, you better believe that. All right, so what's going on in here, guys? Take your time. Take few seconds. Look at the chart. What are you seeing, guys? What is the dashboard telling you here? I want you to engage, guys. Remember one thing, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. If you are trading without a trading plan, this business is not for you, guys. If you are looking to get rich overnight, also this is not the business you should be looking. This is a plan that you need to put a lot of knowledge on it. You need to learn. Don't pay for signal. Learn how to trade. Do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you need help and you want me to help you how to trade, let me know in the comment below. Join us at $9.99 tuition, guys. With that, you will be getting those private one-on-one behind me, and you will be learning tons of information on what the market is doing. All right, so now let's go back to the dashboard. What is the dashboard telling us here? Irvin, USD JPY is going up. What are you doing? What is your signal provider telling you? Oh, to sell? That's when you don't trade with those guys. You trade with the trend. You need to trade with the trend. Remember, manage your risk, guys. The fifth is to manage your risk, guys. The forex trading is inherently risky. There is always a chance of losing money. By managing your risk, you can minimize your losses and protect your trading account. Some ways to manage your risk include using your stop loss order, limiting your leverages, and diversifying your portfolio, guys. Stay with the plan, guys. Stick to a trading plan. Look, if you stick with the dashboard, look at the dashboard, already letting us know that we're going up. Now let's go ahead and analyze the real data. Is it true? Is it true? I don't know. You here with me. We're gonna do it together. Look at this. Look at this. What is the multiple time frame doing? Look at here. Look at the TWE sniper entry. Where is the stair going? Is the stair coming down? Absolutely not. Is the stair going up? Yes, sir. That's exactly what you are seeing here. That is exactly what you are seeing on the dashboard. So everything match. So what are we doing here? So we are sticking to our trading plan, guys. By sticking to our trading plan, you have a trading plan in place. It's important to follow it. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotion and latest market news. Stick to your trading and trust the process. You need to trust the process. If you don't, then you will be having problem on the market. All right. So far you're seeing everything is looking good, right? Now let's break it down. So this is my understanding on USD JPY. Market here is giving us a hint. Hey Irving, we may do a pullback. Remember, but the pullback is just firming. All I'm seeing here on the dashboard, the 4 hours and daily, still going up. That's all I'm saying. I'm not seeing anything else, and I don't want you to blow your account because you're gonna be like, and you're gonna hate this business. You're gonna be like, what? You're gonna be like, what? Therefore, so this is my understanding here. Market here, guys, will continue going up. Most likely it's gonna come back retesting this previous multiple time frame once, multiple time frame that is firming 2, multiple time frame 3. Then from here, yes, we are expecting to see a pullback. This pullback is gonna be in a sell position coming down, retesting all the way to your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level, because there is previous multiple time frame here at 1, 2, 3, and there is more in the past. So this is a key level, guys. This is a very key level. There you have it. Yeah, and basically, this is a trading plan that you need to be trading with. By developing your trading plan and practicing with a demo account, keep a trading journal, stick to your plan, and manage your risk, you will be able on your way to success on the market, guys. I'm telling you, you will be able to succeed on this market. All right. So this is what I'm seeing here. Market is still going up, coming back up, getting ready for the pullback, resell, then market will continue on that buy. So but market here still only going in one direction, and that is it's bullish. All right, what do you guys think so far, guys? Let me know, guys. Do you guys want to do the one-on-one with me? Join, guys. Join our $9.99 program. It's not gonna take you much of your time. You're not gonna get rich, neither gonna go poor, but it will help you to look on the market and see it in a different point of view, because a lot of people charge for what I'm giving you here, guys. They charge you a signal. They tell you BS, to be honest. A lot of BS. They don't tell you what I'm telling you. This is what they tell you. Oh, this is exactly what they tell you. Oh, guys, look at here. Here's the multiple time frame. Right, we're gonna use our multiple time frame as an example. Here's the multiple time frame. If you were to take this buy position here on the multiple time frame right on the beginning, then you wouldn't make how much pips? Look at here, you wouldn't make 1,000 pips. No. Don't believe that. Don't believe that, guys. Believe on data that does not exist. This is when you become a pro. What is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? That is what you need to believe. All right, you need to believe in reality. Whatever happens in the past, unfortunately, you will not make money. The trend already left you. That trading plan, it will not work. All right, let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair is one of the trading pair that the world trade, and I'll be giving you gold, and that is going to be on fire. All right, so the next pair, guys, it is gold. Boom! Look at this beautiful, phenomenal pair here. Look at the dashboard. I'm not giving you any real data yet, because the goal here is to teach you. You need to master this system. Look at here. What is 4 hours and daily telling me? Irvin, the market here is going up. Remember when I did give you the sell position, guys? I will tell you anyway. All right, so we're looking at buy position. Let's look at the real data, see if that is true. Look at here. I remember, guys. Let me teach you a little bit of history on this pair, because I did give everybody when the market was in a sell position. I remember when the multiple time frame pop in, the stairs showed up. To be honest, the stairs showed up and said, Irving, we coming down, and we got this guy somewhere in here, I think, and then we rode this all the way somewhere here. Not all the way, I'm not gonna lie, not all the way, and then that was game over. That's game over. Now look at here. Remember, when the market is selling, you will get this rest there, right? But look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the signal of whatever is happening in gold right now. Now here's the new system here. Look at here. Multiple time frame is telling the Irvin, we are in a sell, in a buy position. We look at the thing with Irvin. What is the thing with Irvin? It's just brand new, guys, and that should be celebrated, guys. You should be celebrating that, and you should be clapping, to be honest. Because I'm telling you, your signal provider will not break this down the way I'm telling you here. They will not do it, because they want you to pay $99 or $200 every month. Guys, if you want me to teach you how to trade, this is the time, guys. Don't lose this opportunity. Look at here. Brand new brand new trend, brand new everything. Look at here. Multiple time frame here. Thing with Irvin here. Look at here. The first stair just formed, guys. This is the very first stair. So market here is going up. What's my understanding so far? Market's still gonna be pushing all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci. Why this level? Look at here. Multiple time frame ones. Multiple hits. Boom, 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 boom. Multiple time frame. And market is gonna come to this level one more time. The market is gonna do a small retracement. It's gonna be a pullback, because the trend here is bullish. It's exactly what you are seeing on the dashboard. And then from there, once the market come back to this low here, multiple time frame ones, the market will continue on that buy trend. So gold here, guys, is brand new as a buy trend. This is a great opportunity to trade this pair. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. All I'm telling you guys is that you need to trade with a plan. You need to grow your Forex trading account by developing a trading plan. Practice on a demo account if you don't know how to trade with a real account. Keep a trading journal. Stick to your trading plan and manage your risk. You will be able to be a successful trader in this Forex market. Guys, I want to thank everybody anyway for being here. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to our channel for more expert advisor tips. So thank you. God bless you. God bless the United States, and God bless the world, and God bless your family. And I will see you guys back on our next side of the aisle. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom. Team with Irvin.